process takes place. Now, first of all, what is kidney transplantation? Imagine a person is suffering from ES or D. Person is suffering from ES or end stage of renal disease. Means the kidneys of the person are totally failed and the kidneys no longer function on its own. Then what would be the next step for the person? The best and long-term solution for the kidney failure is kidney transplantation and dialysis. And now I am going to explain you the process of kidney transplantation. In this slide, you can observe that this is a transplanted kidney which is directly connected to the urinary bladder. And these are the damaged kidney of the person. Now you may have a doubt, why these damaged kidneys are left over here? Because these damaged kidneys are connected with a huge number of blood capillaries. So these damaged kidneys are left usually into our body and the transplanted kidney is directly connected to the bladder. Now what are the pre-operative care? Means what are the care that should be taken by the nurse and doctor before the operation of the kidney transplanted recipient? First of all, assess knowledge and feeling about the process. Means the nurse or doctor should have knowledge about the kidney transplantation process and its feelings. And the next is continue dialysis as order and prevent uremia prior to surgery. Here the word dialysis arises. Now what do you mean by dialysis? This process is further explained by your friend. But for your kind information, dialysis is a process when the kidneys of the person are failed, the body is filled with waste. And this blood is purified by using artificial kidneys, that is also known as dialysis. So, and one thing here, uremia. What is this uremia? When the kidneys of a person are failed, the body is filled with waste, and due to the waste, accumulation of waste, the hands and feet of the person are swollen. This condition is known as uremia. So to prevent this type of condition, doctors suggest dialysis, continuation of dialysis until the transplantation takes place. And the last one is administrator immunosuppressive drugs as ordered before surgery to prevent immediate graft rejection. Here the word arises graft rejection. Now what do you mean by graft rejection? When a foreign organ is transferred into the body, our immune system immediately rejects it. Such type of rejection is known as graft rejection. To prevent this graft rejection, we use immunosuppressive drugs, which are used to control our immune system and make up our body for a new foreign organ. Now, what is the main criteria? What is the rule for kidney transplantation? For example, if you want to donate blood, first of all, it is necessary the blood group of yours should match with the blood group of the recipient. Then only we proceed the blood donation process. Isn't it? Like that only, similarly, in the kidney transplantation, the kidney of the donor should compatibly match with the kidney of recipient. Here, compatibly means suitable to something. Here, suitable to kidney transplantation. Here in the slide, you can observe that the kidney of the donor one is compatibly matched with the recipient too. So, the transplantation takes place between donor 1 and recipient 2. Like this only, the kidney of the donor 1 is incompatible match to the recipient 1. So there will be no transplantation between donor 1 and recipient 1. Why? What happened if we implant incompatible match of kidney? If this type of kidney is implanted into the recipient, the transplantation may fail and the person can die. So to avoid such type of condition, it is necessary to see the compatible match for the recipient. Which may cause an incision is made. A cut is made into the lower abdomen of the and the donated kidney here. And you also observe the damaged kidneys are here and the transplanted kidney is directly connected to the blood. Now what are the post-operative nursing care? Means what are the cares that should be taken by the nurse or doctor after the operation? The first priority during this period is to maintain fluid and electrolyte balance. Means the recipient should not consume excess of salt and also sugar to balance electrolyte balance. Okay, then kidney transplant recipients spend the first 12 to 24 hours in the ICU because close monitoring is required. The recipient that has kidney transplantation has to spend his 12 to 24 hours in the ICU because to mainly observing the condition of the recipient. And the last one is very large volume of urine may be produced soon after the blood supply to transplanted kidney is re-established. After the operation, very large volume of urine may be released for the body. So to avoid, for the comfortable of the patient, this type of device is provided to the patient that is known as expiratory catheter. Here catheter means it is such type of tube that is used the catheter is tube-like structure is given to the recipient to allow the urine to flow generally in a package, in the box, for the comfortable of the patient. Hope you all understand what is kidney transplantation, what is the main criteria and what are the pre and operative cares that should be taken. Hope you all understand this all topics. So thank you. Next I would like to call my friend Siddhika to explain the another type of the process instead of kidney transplantation, that is dialysis.